In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install a free trial of Capture One. So you can get the free trial at their website www.captureone.com. At the time of recording this course, as you can see, Capture One 20 is the current version, so you can get the free trial from here, and you will be asked to provide your email because you need to sign up for a free account at Capture One. However, you will not be asked for any payment details. So, to get the free trial, move over and select free trial from the website's menu. So next you will be taken to the page which offers you choice of 3 different versions of Capture One. I suggest going for the first option, Capture One Pro. Think of it just as all-inclusive. This is a full version that supports all DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, including Sony and Fujifilm. So the first option includes these 2 other options. The first one covers, as I've just mentioned, Sony and Fujifilm. It covers as well Phase 1 and Mamiya Leaf digital backs. The second option, Capture One Fujifilm, this version has the exact features as the Pro, as the first one, but only supports Fujifilm cameras and files. The same goes for the third option for Sony. So move over and select the Capture One Pro. In this case, you will have all the options available, and especially that you are going for free trial, you are not going to pay for it, and if you work only with Fujifilm cameras or Sony cameras, you can decide after the free trial if you want to purchase cheaper option, because the Fujifilm or Sony, these 2 versions are cheaper than the general one, Capture One Pro. But this you can decide after you actually try out Capture One. So go for the first option and hit the button Try Now under the Capture One Pro. In the next screen you will be asked to provide your email address, and as I've mentioned, you will be asked to create your account at Capture One. So here just quickly fill in all the information and create your profile. Next, tick in the box that you agree to the privacy policy and hit Continue Now. So at this point your account was created and you were sent an email from Capture One to activate the account. So all you need to do is to check your email box. When you get the email from Capture One, open it up and hit the button Verify and Download. This will start the process of downloading the free trial of Capture One. As a next step, you will be redirected to the page which contains your trial license key. It's very important, copy this number, it will be needed later on to activate your Capture One, and in the background, Capture One is downloading. Once the downloading process is completed, you need to go to your downloads folder if you're on a Mac and select the downloaded file. Double click on the Capture One 20 DMG file. And next, to install Capture One, you need to drag the icon of the software into your folder with all your applications. When the process of copying Capture One to your applications is finished, move over to your applications folder and double click on the Capture One 20 software. Next you will get a pop-up with the license agreement, so just scroll down and tick the button at the very bottom and move over and hit Accept. So as you've completed all the steps needed to get your free trial, the last thing you need to do is to move over to Capture One 20 and from the drop-down menu select License. So next you will get the license pop-up window, and in the top part of the pop-up window you need to insert your license code. Once this is done, you can activate online your free trial of Capture One 20. So once we have the free trial installation out of the way, let's move over to the next lesson and let's start learning Capture One. See you there.